Hello, it's me again. Let me remind you that all materials to our lessons you can find on our website generalanimation.com in Downloads section. Now, if you got all necessary tools you need to make cartoons, we can animate. To get started, go again in the Download section of our website generalanimation.com and download from there Archive Chickens Dance Zip. This is a collection of footages that I prepared especially for our lesson. Unpack the archive to your computer. In the resulting folder you will find a lot of interesting pictures. It all is models we are going to teach to dance, but you can use any of your own characters. Start After Effects. It can be any version of After Effects, our Learning Edition or your more advanced. In the folder with our footages, find the picture Chicken A and import it into After Effects. Just grab the picture in the Explorer window using left mouse button and drag and drop it on the project panel of After Effects. This will be the easiest method of import. In the same way, import the picture Christmas background and music. Now we've got everything we need to make a simple cartoon. Let's animate. Create a new composition. To do this, click mouse on the small frame here at the bottom of the project window. In composition settings, select video format HDV, HDTV 720x25. Idest 720 lines and 25 frames per second. The duration of the composition. Let it be 3 minutes. Minutes are here, not here. Here are seconds. Minutes are here. Okay, here is our composition. Drag and drop on it our character. Background. And music. Now let's dance. Using the plus and minus keys, stretch the timeline so that individual frames were visible. For our convenience, we will dance in 5 frames beat. That is, each cycle of movement will continue for 5 frames. Select layer with our chicken and press the P key on your keyboard to open the position parameter for chicken. Turn on animation for position. You got the first keyframe. Now move 5 frames forward on the timeline and change the vertical coordinate of the chicken so that it lifted up. Go forward another 5 frames, and now you can simply copy our first 2 keyframes and paste them to repeat the movement. Next, retreat 5 frames from the last key and copy and paste 4 keyframes. Five frames further ahead, and now we can copy and paste all 8 keyframes. This way, you can easily animate the entire timeline. Let's see what kind of movement we have. To do this, we need to make a preview. Preview is created by work area bar. Let's see first 5 seconds of our cartoon. Mark by work area bar preview area. Beginning we already have. And to get the end, move the cursor to the 5th second and press the N key on the keyboard. That's all. We marked by work area bar the part of cartoon we want to preview. Now just press 0 key on the numeric keypad and wait until the green bar underlines the entire work area bar. Now we can see what the motion we've got. The chicken just jumps in one spot. Let's make it to jump first one leg and then the other. To do this, we must turn it a bit. Move back to the beginning of the timeline. Use the keyboard shortcut Shift+R to open rotation parameter in addition to already opened position parameter. Turn on animation for rotation and slightly turn the chicken right. First 10 frames it will jump on its left leg. Move 10 frames forward and set another keyframe to lock the rotation of chicken. For the next 10 frames it will rotate to the right leg. Move 10 frames forward and rotate chicken to the left. Next 10 frames it will jump on the right leg. Then rotate to jump on the left leg again. Move forward 10 frames, set a keyframe, move another 10 frames and turn chicken to the left again. Now you can simply copy and paste the resulting animation cycle. Finally, you'll got such merry dance.